Hello students, now I am going to explain matrices exercise 3.1. In the matrix capital A is equal to 2, 5, 19, minus 7, 35 minus 2, 5 by 2, 12, root 3, 1, minus 5, 17. Write the order of the matrix. How can we calculate the order of the matrix? How many rows and columns are given in the problem? First row, second row, third row. Here three rows are given. First column, second column, third column, fourth column. So 4 columns are given. So we have to write m cross n format. M means actually rows. N means columns. So how many rows given? 3 rows. How many columns given? That is 4 columns. Here 3 cross 4 matrix is given. Okay, the order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. The next one, the number of elements. We just multiply the order of the matrix value, that is the number of elements. That 3 cross 4, that is 3 into 4 value 12. So how many elements given? 12 elements. Next we have to write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A31. A13, first value is actually I, the second value is J. So A13 is first row third column value, that is 19. So A13 value is 19. Next A21, second row first column value, that is 35. Next one A33, third row third column. So this is third row, third column is this. So the value is minus 5. Next one A24, second row fourth column value, that is 12. A31, third row first column, that is root 3. Next, I am going to explain the second problem. Construct a 2 cross 3 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to 1 by 2 of modulus minus 3i plus j. First, we have to make a 2 cross 3 matrix. So, we have to write A is equal to Aij, the order of the matrix 2 cross 3. So, we have to write 2 rows and 3 columns. So, A11, A12, 2 rows. Okay. A13. Next one A21, A22, A23. How many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. This is actually a 2 cross 3 matrix. Now we have to calculate the A11 value, A12, A13, A21, A22 and A23. What is the equation given? Aij equal to half of modulus minus 3i plus j. This is our Aij value. First we have to calculate A11. We have to apply in this equation I value 1 and j value also 1. So 1 by 2 of modulus minus 3 of 1 plus 1. So minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1, what is the answer? Minus 2. So half of modulus minus 2. We have to take the value minus 2 from the modulus. Actually negative value come out from the modulus, that is positive only. So 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to plus 1 because 2 to cancel. The next one A12, half of minus 3. We have to apply in this equation I value 1, j value 2. So minus 3 of 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 of minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2. What is the answer? Minus 1. 1 by 2. Now we take the value minus 1 from the modulus. So that is plus 1. 1 by 2 into 1. 1 by 2. Next A13. Now we have to apply the I value 1, j value 3. So minus 3 of 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 0 actually. 0 into anything also 0. The next one A21. Now we have to change the value. I value 2, j value 1. So 1 by 2 of minus 3 of 2 plus 1. So 1 by 2 of, what is the minus 3 into 2? Minus 6. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. Automatically the value minus 5 come out from the modulus. So that is plus 5. So 5 into 1 by 2, 5 by 2. Next one A22 is equal to 1 by 2 of minus 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 1 by 2 of minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4. 1 by 2 into plus 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So the answer is 2. Next one, A23. Now apply for I value 2 and J value 3. So minus 3 of 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 of minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Minus 6 plus 3. What is the value? That is minus 3. Again we have to take the value minus 3 from the modulus. So that is plus 3. So 3 into 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Therefore the record matrix is capital A is equal to, what is our A11 value? That is 1. A12, 1 by 2. A13, 0. A21, 5 by 2. Our A22 value is 2. A23 value is 3 by 2. This is actually our 2 cross 3 matrix value. Next, the third problem. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equation. What is our LHS value given? X plus y plus z. X plus z, y plus z. 9, 5, 7. This is our RHS value. Actually first we have to check the order of the matrix. Here first row, second row, third row. 3 rows and 1 column. So the order of the matrix 3 cross 1. In RHS first row, second row, third row, 1 column only. 3 cross 1. Actually this problem based on equality of matrices. For equality of matrices, we have to check the order of the matrix. Order of the matrix equal, so the corresponding values are also equal. So we have to write x plus y plus z is equal to 9. This is our first value. What is the second value? X plus z is equal to 5. What is our third value? Y plus z is equal to 7. This is our first equation. This is our second equation. This is our third equation. This is actually linear equation format. Now we have to, using substitution method, we have to calculate x, y, z. Y plus z equal to 7, that is given. So we have to apply the y plus z value in the first equation. Substitute y plus z value in first equation. So what is our first equation? X plus y plus z is equal to 9. So we have to apply for y plus z 7 value. So x plus 7 is equal to 9. So directly we have to write 9 minus 7, that is 2. X value is 2. Now we have to apply the x value in second equation. Substitute x value in second equation. So what is our equation? X plus z is equal to 5. So what is our x value? 2. So 2 plus z is equal to 5. So directly we have to write z is equal to 5 minus 2, that is 3. Now we need a z value, y value. Apply the z value in third equation. What is our third equation? Y plus z is equal to 7. So now apply the z value. Y plus 3 is equal to 7. So y is equal to, what is the answer? 7 minus 3, 4. Therefore x is equal to 2. Y is equal to 4. And z is equal to 3. That's all.